kukuza abaana kukuza abaana mu mpisa ennungi ey'eddiini. Ambulidde, she has briefed me wano. Morals, discipline, religion biri ku mwanjo. So omwana akuze ng'ategedde eddiini, ng'ategedde ayina empisa ez'obuntu bulamu, ez'okumanya engeri gy'akwatagana ne banne, kale abeera munnansi mulungi nnyo. We are grappling with of fighting corruption n'emize emirala mingi nnyo mu nsi eno, because tulina oba abantu abatayita mu mikono mituufu, abataakuzibwa kwagala nsi yaabwe, abataakuzibwa kutegeera nti bw'obeera mu kifo bwe kiti you must do what is right for all the others. So essomero eri imparting as such in a child discipline, morals, accounting n'ebirala byonna teriyinza butaba lya muwendo eri ensi yaffe. Knowledge rich your parents are. If you get an opportunity to earn education, you can be anything. Mugambe wano wabaddewo omukyala mulamuzi, buli omu alina kyakola. Ogambye oyingira bank, you don't have to line up because you have so many people who went through your hands in that bank. So that's the value of education. We cannot finish the advantages. And when you empower a girl, I think you've built a nation. You know what happens when a woman is educated. So I want to thank you, sister, for the good work. I've been told that this is the best school in this district, and also very competitive at the national level. So I want to thank you. Mbadde sibimanyi era sijja byerabira. I'll keep referring to this school kubanga ennaku zino tulina ebizibu biolodde, ate omwana bw'ajja mu ssomero aba mu mikono gy'abasomesa. Kati omusomesa ekintu ekigwa ku mwana yenna kiba kimukosa ye kennyini. N'olwekyo project ey'okuzimba ekisenge era nja kuvaawo sister nga ndeseewo akakadde kamu contribution to this project. Don't hesitate to let me know if you need my help. It might not be big, but era nkyasobola okubayamba. Thank you for the educating the girls, teaching them, and also keeping them safe. Schools should be safe environments for learners. That is very fundamental. And in such space, we feel like learners are safe. We worry when children have to walk back home, they have to go to the wells to fetch water. You never know what happens. Some are kidnapped, others are defiled. So when you come to such a space, you feel like the children are safe. So I want to thank you, and I think it should be everyone's responsibility to keep the environment safe for our children, even the schools. I thank you.